Hello, I'm in a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your display language between English, Spanish, or French. So first, make sure vehicle's on and this is powered up, which this all is. Then we'll go to settings, and then we'll scroll to other. We'll select other, and then language. Select that. Select system language, and then it's in English, and we can switch to Spanish or French. So let's say we want Spanish. It just auto updates everything. So now everything's in Spanish. And then obviously I speak English, so I'm going to switch this back to English. So we'll go settings, and then we'll scroll to otro. Click that, and then idioma, and then idioma again in English. And that's it. So and again, everything auto saves updates, so there's no other changes you need to make. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.